Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone keeps restarting issue. Method 1. Hard reset your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until an Apple logo appears. The iPhone restarts normally. Method to reset all settings. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. And tap Reset all settings. Well, type your password to continue. OK. Confirm to reset all settings. Finally, your iPhone will turn off and restart instantly. Method 3. Fix with iOS Repair Tool. Go to iShare.com and then download iShare iOS Repair Genius. iShare iOS Repair Genius is a powerful iOS system repair software that can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can use it to fix the iPhone restarting issue. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Hit the next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone issue is repaired successfully. You can see the iPhone restarts normally. Method for update iOS to the latest version. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Then tap Update Now to update the iOS version. After updating, you can check whether the iPhone worked normally or not. Method 5. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the PC. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes and click Restore in the pop-up prompt. Hit Restore and Update in the Confirm prompt. Minutes later, your iPhone is restarting with all data erased. You can set it up as new. That's all for the video.